What is up? Math, made easy fans. Today is a Saturday night and I'm doing math because what else is there to do? A lot of people on the stream last night's stream was amazing, bro. I think I got like the most peak concurrence I've ever gotten on the stream. A lot of people in the statistics class at my school wanted me to do something on that. And, you know, I'm in that class too, and, you know, I know some of it. I'm learning a lot of things, though, and it's really fun. And I'm just going to try to explain this to those people. Now, what is the difference between the null, L looks like a W. Also, I don't think I've ever used the green marker on this channel. We should do like Stats Saturday and make it green marker. Alternative. Okay. This is so when we're thinking about a hypothesis, and we think something we do is going to change something. If we think it's going to change it, that's the alternative hypothesis. But to prove the alternative true, we must prove the null false, which is that it's not going to change. Which it kind of makes sense when you hear the words. There was a specific problem. It was looking at how many people get Alzheimer's, okay? And they developed a new test for this that's like quicker than the traditional long screening method. Now, we all know somebody with Alzheimer's, and it's really bad. So, we see a patient, we ask them if they have Alzheimer's. The null hypothesis is they don't, right? The alternative hypothesis, what we're trying to prove with this test is that they do, okay? Now, people also ask me, what is a type 1 error versus a type 2 error? Type 1 is that I would end up actually rejecting the null hypothesis when it's true. It's called a false positive that I'm sorry, rejecting the null hypothesis when it's false. So I say, okay, I just proved my null hypothesis. My alternative hypothesis is true, but in fact it's not, but I think it is. That's type 1. So, what would be a type 1 error in my Alzheimer's test example? Well, I say someone does, I prove alternative correct with my test, but they actually don't. It's like, you know, they're fooling me, man. They're pretending to have memory problems. But no, my test gives a false positive. The opposite, of course, is a type 2. Type 2 is a false negative. So this, in this situation, is a lot worse. Okay? If we say somebody doesn't have it and they actually do, then they're going to miss out on some cool treatment stuff. You know, it might make it better for them. Right? Which is not good. So we have the false positive and the false negative. I hope that this clears some things up for you guys. This is chapter 20 for those in my math class. And if you're not in my math class, then still smash like. If this gets 6 likes, I'll do this next Saturday. Bye for now.